Hey guys, so oh my god, I have been walking into spider webs like nobody's business. It's like in my ear, like it feels like hair. It's not though, because I don't have any hair. It's a spider web. But I got my new phone. This is my new phone. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's the same phone that I had, but the camera works. So let me show you guys my outfit of the day with my camera that works. Here it is. Okay, so don't mind all the marks on my stomach, because like that's from my pants and my seatbelt and stuff. But I'm really excited. All right, let's talk about the outfit. Amazon, you guys know. Crappy shoes, you guys know. These pants are from TJ Maxx from like a million years ago. I used to wear them like exclusively to work. Do you guys remember me wearing these? And they always, so there's like it's like velvet or something on the side, and literally collects so much dust, and I never like lint it off. And so I used to wear these all the time. So if you guys remember, I'm gonna put a little poll here so you guys could be like, yeah, I remember you wearing those pants all the time. I actually don't really wear them anymore. Today I wore them because, let me turn this around. I wore them today because they're a little bit bigger than my other pants, because I got them before I lost weight. And so last night I came home. So this whole week, I'm gonna sit and talk. This whole week has been like a haze, because I've been working like nonstop, which I hope that you guys know I'm not complaining about working. I love you guys and I love being here and I love everything about this. But I also love my husband and I also love my dogs. And like, I think the most interaction I've had with my dogs is like saying, hi, good morning, and petting them and giving them a kiss and being like, okay, good night, and petting them and giving a kiss, because I've been working like 14-hour days, which again, I'm not complaining, but it's been like a haze. Like everything's been like whatever. So last night, I didn't get home that late yesterday, maybe like 7, and which is like super early considering I've been getting home at like 10 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock at night. And like, mind you guys, I don't start work. The earliest I start work is 10 a.m. Most times it's 10:30. But like, because I know I'm here late, so I don't, and I have like, I leave an hour before I have to start. So like, that means I'd leave at like 9, which means I have to get up at like 8. And you guys know I'm super scheduled. So everything is like, I know how long everything takes me in my home life. When I do your hair, no concept of time. I will lose time. But anyway, all over the place. What was my point? So I came home yesterday and we had enough time to do our usual walk around the neighborhood that we do like every night that we can. And then we had time to work out, which is something that we do every night that we can. The night before we weren't able to, because I got home at like 11 o'clock, literally. Like it was that late. So we were like both feeling good, whatever. So like we showered and stuff last night after like working out and walking around, because it's been like so brutally hot out. And then we're like sitting on the couch and we're like, let's snack. And first I got like Fairlife chocolate milk. Fairlife is so good. So I have like a lactose issue. I don't know if I'm technically lactose intolerant, because I can have yogurt, but the doctor said that yogurt's okay for people who have lactose problems because it's like a small amount. So we try to get lactose free, like everything. My poor husband has to like, it's probably so annoying to be with me, but anyway, so Fairlife is like lactose free. And I know people have issues with Fairlife because they were like abusing their cows, like some of the workers were, but like the actions of some do not represent all. It wasn't a company thing. It was like some shitty workers were like hurting the cows, which I don't support, but like also I'm not going to boycott a company because they happen to hire like shitty employees. Like they're fired, we move on with our lives. That's not common practice, obviously. So anyway, so I had like my Fairlife chocolate milk, which is like so good. I highly recommend it, guys. It's like Stu Leonard's chocolate milk. Like it's just so good. And I have a total sweet tooth. But then we were like, oh, let's keep eating snacks. And we didn't stop eating snacks. We didn't stop. It was ridiculous. So we had pretzels that were dipped in like chocolate and Reese's, and then pretzels that were dipped in cookies and cream. I didn't stop. And then I was like, oh, I'm like really weird. So I like to eat my sweets before I have dinner, because I like to then have something salty to get the taste out of my mouth, which makes me think that maybe I really don't like sweets as much as I think I do. I think it's just like a drug and it like triggers something in my brain, and then I'm instantly depressed afterwards. So anyway, so I need to have Doritos afterwards, because I was like, I got to get this taste out of my mouth. We totally binged. So the whole point is I'm wearing these pants because I put on a little bit of weight since last night. Yeah, so that's why I'm wearing these pants, and that's why I don't really wear them anymore. They're like my heavier pants. Anyway, I just went over the amount of time I'm allowed in these stories, so I don't know what just got cut off, but basically, like, I'm wearing these pants because I ate a lot last night. And these are the pants from when I weigh a little bit more. We like to keep them just in case. What was I feel like I was gonna say something. Oh, I've been doing this thing where I try to mentally, like, keep in my brain, like, things that make me feel good versus things that make me not feel good. And like, then I like try to redo the things that make me feel good, like exercising or doing my outfit of the days. So I know people probably think like you're so annoying that you do that, but like I do it for me because I would feel like a vampire if I didn't. Like if I just came in every day and like didn't wear a nice outfit and didn't feel good about myself and didn't put on my makeup and just wore scrubs to work and like only interactions were work interactions. And then I came home and I went to bed and then I woke up and I did it again. Like I would feel like an actual vampire. Like I would feel like, what is the point? What am I doing? What is the point of all this? So I feel like I need to like go home, work out, go for a walk. I need to wake up in the morning, take a shower, do my hair, do my makeup, put on a cute outfit, come here, show you guys my outfit so I feel a little bit better about myself. So those are just things that like I'm aware that I need to do. And then I realized like when I eat sweets, I instantly hate myself. So I'm like, why do I do that? Like, is it worth like the 2 seconds? Cause like when you eat sweets, only like the first bite is good. And then the rest of it is just like guilty feeling and it's really awful. So it's like, why do I do this? Why? And also like, how was I so easy to give up like eating animals? And like, I can't give up sweets, like, cause it's a drug. It's an actual drug. Anyway, guys, this is my new phone, obviously. So I did a ton of hair with my old phone. A lot of the pictures were really blurry, so those are not going to get posted because I'm not trying to post blurry work. Like it just, like hair blurry just looks awful. But then towards the end, like these last few days, I started getting creative and taking videos of people's hair. And I'm like, hey guys, this is really awkward, but this is what I gotta do because my pictures are blurry. And I do it in selfie mode, so it's like this. And I like put the camera sideways and I'm like in the camera, like trying to get them in it without getting me in it like this. So there's gonna be quite a few videos coming up soon. So I haven't really been posting because I've been here busy. And I gotta get these videos in and not my actual posts of my work. No, I'm just kidding. All right, I'm really gonna go now. So that's the story. Love you guys. Bye.